Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. Measure your ping in a few matches so you have a baseline. Once done, move to the best network. 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired LAN dramatically lowers latency versus congested 2. 4 GHz or mobile data. Make sure the app and system are updated, then close streaming and heavy apps that eat bandwidth. These first actions reduce variable lag quickly and give you a stable platform for deeper tweaks. Now you refine routing and device behavior to cut milliseconds. Switch to a fast DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to speed domain lookups. This helps initial server handshakes. If your ISP routes poorly, test a reputable gaming VPN because it can shorten hops. Only use it if ping improves. Next, restrict other devices and background sync and enable Co-S on your router to prioritize PUBG. Finish by aligning the game to your improved network. Pick the closest server region in the match settings so you minimize physical distance. Play a quick custom match to verify improvements. Reduce graphics, shadow detail, and unstable frame options to prevent device-induced microstutter that looks like network lag. If issues persist despite good ping, clear the app cache or reinstall. This removes corrupt data affecting connections. If nothing helps, contact your ISP and share your measured ping and traceroute for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.